Are you looking for a lucrative opportunity to earn passive income? Do you want to be part of a thriving e-commerce ecosystem? Look no further. Welcome to Shopify's affiliate marketing program, where you can turn your passion for entrepreneurship into a profitable venture. Shopify is the leading e-commerce platform that empowers businesses of all sizes to sell online. With over 1 million active users and billions of dollars in sales, Shopify provides a robust and user-friendly platform for entrepreneurs to build, manage, and grow their online stores. As an affiliate marketer for Shopify, you'll have the opportunity to earn generous commissions by referring new customers to the platform. Whether you're a blogger, social media influencer, or have a strong network of entrepreneurs, our program offers a variety of ways for you to promote Shopify and earn money. When you join our affiliate program, you'll gain access to a suite of marketing tools and resources. From personalized tracking links to ready-made banners and ads, we provide everything you need to effectively promote Shopify and drive conversions. But what sets our affiliate program apart is our commitment to your success. We offer dedicated support from our affiliate team, who are always available to answer your questions and provide guidance. Additionally, we provide regular updates on new features, promotions, and industry trends to help you stay ahead of the game. The best part? You don't need any technical expertise or prior experience in affiliate marketing. Our program is designed to be beginner-friendly, allowing anyone with a passion for entrepreneurship to start earning money right away. So, what are you waiting for? Join Shopify's affiliate marketing program today and unlock your potential for financial freedom. Start earning passive income while helping entrepreneurs around the world succeed. Shopify's affiliate marketing program, your gateway to a profitable future. Sign up now and embark on an exciting journey with us.